WashStop Central System Jetwash car washing machines. Economical, durable, reliable. Before starting the washing process, the machine's daily maintenance must be performed. The device's main water filter should be visually inspected and, if necessary, cleaned by turning off the main water valve and performing filter cleaning. Ensure that the water pressure supplied to the machine is between 5 to 7 bar. Make sure that the machine's motor protection switches are on and turn on the main power switch. If there is a tripped switch, contact an authorized service center. Check the chemical levels. If the chemical level drops to 1/4 of the container, place a chemical order. Only visual inspection for water and oil leaks should be done in the motor section. If any such issues are observed, do not operate the machine and contact an authorized service center. WashStop Vacuum Cleaner. Systems quiet, powerful, fast. Check the air gun regulator and adjust the air pressure. Inspect the vacuum hose and its nozzle for any deformations. If deformations are found, contact an authorized service center. Remove the dustbin from the cabin and clean it. If any damage is observed on the dustbin filter, contact an authorized service center. Ensure that the motor protection switches of the machine are on and the main power switch is turned on. If there is a tripped switch, contact an authorized service center. Perform damage checks on the water and foam guns. The foam gun filter must be cleaned and replaced if necessary. To clean or replace the foam gun filter, use a small screwdriver to remove the pins, detach the filter holder head, and clean the filter. Reassemble the filter holder head and reinsert the pins. Your machines are now ready for use. Let's not forget that these maintenance and inspections are vital for the healthy operation of the machines.